everyone, I hope that you're keeping safe and well and that you're ready for MTD's trending news this week. Make sure to subscribe, like and follow MTD to keep up to date with what we're doing in the engineering industry. So this week's top 5 videos are as follows. So in at number 1 we've got, so you want a big milling machine. Number 2 we've got X-Demo Hurco VM10i for £35,900. Vulcan VMC 610L comes with a free machine. In at number 4 we've got 5-axis from stock at XYZ Machine Tools. And finally, the reliability of Matsuura machines is just so invaluable for my business. So there's our top 5 videos this week, guys. Make sure to check them out. Full links are in the description, so let me know what you think of them. So let's talk about social stats this week. We're now averaging 250,000 impressions on Twitter this month. Absolutely amazing stuff. So if you're not following us on Twitter, then you definitely should be. That's at MTDCNC. Our trending articles on the MTDCNC website this week are XYZ RMX 3500 X demo machine for sale. We've got the X-Demo Hurco VM10i for £35,900 trending. We've also got Colchester's Technology new home expands opportunities. Subcontractor chooses Italian lathe to cope with an upsurge in medical work. Are you running a single table 3-axis or 5-axis machine? We've got X-Demo RLX 425 Pro-Turn CNC lathe for sale. And also we've got X-Demo 660 HD with Heidi hand control X stock. Have you seen a machine bed like this before? J&S Engineering joins MTD CNC. And finally, we've got Floyd publishes latest cutting tool catalogue. So there you go. Make sure to check out those articles on www.mtdcnc.com and to make sure that you are tagging us in all of your content on socials to be right in front of the correct and targeted audience that we do have. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next week for another Week in Review.